Good day! Do you know how to divide a mixed number by a mixed number? That will be our lesson today. Let's say we have 10 and a half divided by 2 and 3/4. First step is to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Always copy the denominator. Denominator times the whole number plus the numerator This is now the improper fraction of the mixed number. Let's convert the other mixed number. Let's convert 2 and 3/4 into improper fraction. Write the denominator 4. Let's multiply denominator times the whole number plus the numerator 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. Let's copy the denominator. 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. This is now the improper fraction of 2 and 3/4. When you are dividing a fraction by another fraction, you should always find the reciprocal of that fraction. 11/4 will become 4/11. Change the division sign into multiplication sign. Now, let's proceed with multiplication. 21 times 4 is 84. 2 times 11 is equal to 22. Now, let's convert 84 over 22nd into a mixed number. The fractional part 18 over 22nd can still be reduced into its lowest term. Both numerator and denominator is divisible by 2. And this is the final answer. Other way of solving multiplication of fractions is cancellation. Denominator 2 and numerator 4 is divisible by 2. Now, let's multiply. 21 times 2 is equal to 42. 1 times 11 is 11. Let's convert 42 over 11 into mixed fraction. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.